In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add candle countdown timer in Metatrader 5. A candle countdown timer shows you exactly how much time is left before the current bar closes and a new one opens. It's a simple addition that can make timing decisions clearer, especially around entries, exits, and news events. I'll walk you through the process from finding the right tool to installing it and reviewing the key settings so it looks and behaves the way you want. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the phrase Metatrader 5 candle timer. You should see a result for candle timer countdown on the official MQL5 market site for Metatrader 5. That's the listing we want because it's designed specifically for MT5 and integrates smoothly. Click that result to open the product page. On the product page, you'll find a download button. Click download, and when the site offers to hand the installation over to your platform, choose continue with Metatrader. This option is important because it links the store to your MT5 terminal and ensures the indicator is placed in the correct folder automatically. If Metatrader 5 isn't open yet, launch it now so the handoff can complete. At this point, you may be prompted to sign into your MQL5 account through the official dialog. Go ahead and complete that within the standard prompts if needed. Keep your login details private and make sure you're using the authentic MQL5 site and Metatrader prompt. Once you confirm, the platform will begin retrieving the indicator. Back in Metatrader 5, look toward the left side of the interface where you manage your tools and content. If you don't see it, open the toolbox window from the View menu. In that left area, click Market to view your installed or available products within the platform. This is where the store listing inside your terminal mirrors what you saw in the browser and confirms the installation status. Inside Market, search for or locate Candle Timer Countdown and open it. From here, Metatrader will either show it as installed or offer a quick install. If you see an install button or a cloud icon, click it to complete the process. Give it a few moments to finish. Once done, it will be available to use across your charts just like any other indicator you've added to MT5. When the Properties window appears, take a moment to review the Common tab. This is where you confirm general behaviors for the indicator. You typically don't need special permissions for a simple timer, so you can keep the defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them. Next, move to the Inputs tab. This is where most of the customization happens. You can usually adjust the timer's position on the chart, the format of the time display, offsets from the chart edges, and sometimes the size of the text. If the timer supports multi-timeframe display or additional labels, you'll find those controls here. Keep the settings simple initially, position it somewhere unobtrusive like the top right, then tweak as you get comfortable. On the Colors tab, pick a color that contrasts well with your chart background. For a dark theme, bright tones like white or lime stand out. For a light theme, darker colors are easier to read. If font or line thickness is available, adjust it so the countdown is visible but not overpowering. Finally, check the Visualization tab. Make sure the timer displays on the time frames you actually trade. If you only work on the 5-minute and 15-minute charts, enable those specifically so the indicator doesn't clutter other views you don't use. Once you confirm your choices, apply the settings and look at your active chart. You should now see a clear countdown showing how much time remains in the current candle for that symbol and time frame. If you don't, verify that the indicator is enabled in your chart's list of indicators and that you selected the correct visualization options. That's it. You searched for the candle timer countdown, downloaded it from the official MQL5 market, continued with Metatrader to install, opened the market section on the left inside MT5, and reviewed the common inputs, colors, and visualization settings so it appears exactly where and how you want. With this in place, you'll always know how long is left before the next bar prints, helping you manage entries, exits, and confirmations with better timing.